Mute your mic. I'll mute your mic.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
I will make you host again.
Okay. Now let's come to the topic again. I'm sorry. Okay. Now again, I will repeat it. That the topic is about milk. Milk. We know that milk having that milk we get from the animals. From the animals, and animals can be cow. Animals can be goat. Animals can be sheep. Animals can be camel. There is many more animals out there. But remember one thing, that milk having calcium is good for bones. It calcium makes your bones strong, and as well as teeth. Teeth is also bones. Teeth is also bones. And another thing, calcium having little bit. Calcium having a little bit that proteins and vitamins in very less amount. In very less amount, proteins and vitamins. Vitamins.
Calcium.
Yeah. Okay. In very less
What do
amount.
you write this? Calcium, bones, and tooth.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Okay. I think you didn't get it. Yes. Okay. Remember one thing. Okay. I will make you understand in Urdu. Remember one thing. Okay. Duamir. Okay. Duamir. Okay. I will make you understand in Urdu. हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे मिल्क की. आपकी जो मिल्क है, ये मिल्क हम मुख्तलिफ जानवरों से हासिल करते हैं. जानवर जैसे आपके पास गाय है, आपके पास बकरी है, या फिर आप वगैरह है, ये इनसे हम मिल्क हासिल करते हैं. मिल्क जो है ये कैल्शियम, मिल्क के पास कैल्शियम होता है, और ये कैल्शियम जो है हमारे हड्डियों के लिए बहुत बेहतरीन होता है, और ये हमारी हड्डियों को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है, और साथ में हमारे दांतों को भी. इसी तरह काफी ज्यादा मिकदार में कैल्शियम होता है मिल्क के पास, और बहुत कम अमाउंट में प्रोटीन्स भी होता है और विटामिन्स भी होते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द अदर टॉपिक. मे आई रेज इट?
No, I'm noting this.
Oh, sorry. Again, all right. Protein cook, not cook.
I am noting this.
Okay, not it. Vitamin.
Sure, what is the spelling of calcium? You raise it.
Calcium, okay. CALCIUM. CIUM. Calcium.
Let me note this down.
Okay, good. Yes, quick. One another extra point. From milk, we also can make bakery products. We can also make the bakery product from the milks. Like we can say that cheese, cheese, like curd, like many creams are also like cream roll creams. And as well as we can say that yogurt, it's also become from the milk. I'm going to raise it. May I raise it? The time is going over.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now another topic. Meat pulses and beans. Mama Zan, read it. Mama Zan.
Small.
Meat pulses and beans.
Let me open PDF.
Okay, the time is not. We don't have much time. Yes. Dua Zahra, you read it.
Sir, can I?
Dua Zahra, you.
Okay. Sir, which book? On page number 40. First line. Meat,
Yeah, page number 14.
Meat foods group includes meat, fish, and eggs. Plants food like cloves, beans, nuts, and seeds also belong to this group. These foods help in building strong muscles. Foods in this group provide protein and iron. Protein are body building foods. Children need more proteins, fats, and
Okay,
oil.
okay.
Also
Okay, enough,
need
enough. Okay, I'll make you understand that what are meat, what are meat, what are pulses, and what are beans. These three things actually mm, that we can say synthesized by proteins, and in a very less amount, these three things having also iron. Okay, these three things: meat, pulses, and beans. These three is having proteins and irons. Okay, now what are proteins? Remember one thing. Actually,
sir, it
yes.
is a question that what are meat?
What are meat? Okay, I'll make you understand. Meat. Meat is protein. Meat is meat. Meat
It
is
is
a protein.
protein.
Yeah, meat is a protein. Meat is a what? Meat is a kind of protein.
It is a protein.
Another thing, now from where we get the meat, like we can say that fish, hen, and as well as the red meat of cow, the red meat of camel, and the red meat of any more organism. The red meat is actually protein because another thing also the human beings have red meat, and the meat are proteins. So these are what these are proteins, which is meat, which is pulses, and which is beans. Proteins is also known as body.
Sir, from where we
Yeah,
get meat?
from the hen, from the
From the hen.
hen, from the fish, the meat of fish, the meat of fish, the meat of hen,
Sure,
and
sir,
as well as
we get meat from the fish and the hen.
yeah, and as well as that the red meat of cow, not white meat, red meat of cow, red meat of that goat. It's a common animals. Okay, and as well as sheep, as well as red meat. Those organisms which having red meat, these are also proteins. These are also proteins, and proteins we okay. Okay, now another thing. Proteins are also called body building food. Proteins are also called body building food. Body building bodybuilding.
We get red meat from cow, goat, and sheep.
Yeah, yeah. There is also more organ like camel. We can also say like deer, as well as there are many more birds are there which we can. Okay. Now also the proteins are known as bodybuilding food. Proteins are also known as bodybuilding food because it build our body. आपकी जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं ये आपके बॉडी को बिल्ड करते हैं, आपके बॉडी को बड़ा करने में किरदार अदा करते हैं. ठीक है.
Buildings food.
Yeah, proteins are also known as bodybuilding food. It's make your body more
Building.
built. Yeah,
Body build. Bodybuilding, right?
food. Like over there is a what? There is a fish. There is a what? Sorry.
Fish.
There is a, yeah, there is a fish. Fish is what? Fish is protein. Egg. Egg. Egg is also protein. Over here there is chicken. Chicken is protein. Bean is protein.
Yes.
And red meat is also over here. Red meat is also protein. So these are the group of proteins. Understand? Can I erase it?
Yeah.
May I erase it?
Yes. And I write everything.
Good, well done. Okay, Mama Zain, read now. Fats and oil.
Fats
Yeah,
and
Mama Zain,
oil. You also
yeah,
need
fats and
some
oil.
oil for good health. You get oil from oil seeds like mustard, groundnut, and sunflower seeds. Nuts like cashew, almond, walnut, and pistachio are rich in fats and oils. Oils is also attracted from animal sources like fats and fish.
Okay, now remember, uh, I will use whiteboard. I will use whiteboard. Look at here. Look at here. Number one, there is a fat. Number two, and oil. There are two things. Fat and oil. Fat we can get from the animals. Fats we can get from the animals. Oils, yeah, oils we can get from the plants. Okay, understand? Fats we can get from the animals, and oil we can get from the plants. As well as that, again and again I'm going to say there's those animals which have meat. White, we also in a common language we can say that white meat. What? White meat.
White meat.
Yeah. As well
We
as
get
that,
white meat
yeah, white
and
meat.
fish.
All, yeah, yeah. No. Look, all of the white meats. All of the white meats. All of the white meat. White meat are what? All of the white meat are fat. All of the white meat are what? Fat.
Oh,
अब अगर आप देखते हैं जानवरों में, काफी जानवरों में सफेद गोश्त होता है, सफेद किस्म का गोश्त होता है। वो जो सफेद किस्म का जो गोश्त है वो फैट है। वो क्या है? वो फैट है। रेड, एक रेड किस्म का गोश्त, वो तो मैंने बताया प्रोटीन था ना। जो सफेद किस्म का जो गोश्त है वो फैट है और वो हम एनिमल से हासिल कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। नाउ कम टू द प्लांट्स. Okay, like what? Like mustard plant, like mustard plant, as well as a common plant, that is sunflower. That is
sir,
sunflower. Okay.
what is the
Yes.
spelling of mustard?
M-U-S T.
M-U-S.
Yeah,
Where
T-A-R-D.
do we have to note down?
Yes. Oh,
We
sorry,
have to
sorry.
write in our book.
Yes, you can. You can. It's, you know, there's, it's a basic
Mustard,
things.
sunflower, right?
Sunflower. Yeah. Sunflower. Sunflower. These are the common example we can show that, and there are also many more that coconut plant we can get that oils. Now another thing, meats. Fat fat is a food which give energy. Fat is what? Fat is food which give
Fat
us
is the food
energy,
that gives us energy.
which give us energy, which give us
Energy.
energy. Yeah. which give us energy. Number one.
Energy.
Number two, it also what? It also build our body. Build our body. Plants. Plants is also that it also give us energy, and as well as in less amount it also build our body. Okay. Now, okay, just get this. I'm not going to more in the deep. In the deep.
Right.
White meat gives us fat and oil. Plants
Yes.
energy build give energy. Fats give energy. Plants energy build mustard, sunflower. What is this? I don't understand.
Okay.
Oil is come from oil. Oil is come from plants.
Yeah.
And plants is come from mustard and sunflower.
Yeah. Plants give us
Mustard and
oils.
sunflower.
Yeah, good.
Oh, sorry.
That's good. And as well as it give us energy, and sometimes it build our body for the future.
Plants give us, right?
Yeah, yeah. Also plant gave us, and also some animals give us. Okay. Can I finish the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Time to place. Sir, I think it's computer class next, so
Yes. Now come to the other topic. That's 5%.
Exercise and rest.
Yes. Now topic is
Exercise and rest.
exercise and rest. Okay. I will read it. The time is over. Exercise and rest. Apart from eating a balanced diet, we also need exercise regular to keep fit and healthy. Remember one thing. Two things is also important for the life. Now the time is over. Just I will give one idea about it. I will make you understand clearly tomorrow. Like what are exercise and rest? Exercise and rest. Oh, look, the a body is okay. Any activity of the body is called any activity. Any activity. Any activity of a body
sir,
is
आपकी आवाज
called.
नहीं आ रही.
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
सर मुझे आ रही है.
शायद मामा जान you have net problem I think. Okay.
अब आ रही है आपकी आवाज.
Okay, now look, the time is going to over. Okay, any activity of a body is called exercise. जब भी कोई body में से कोई भी पुरुषा वो काम कर रहा हो, वो क्या कर रहा हो? काम, कुछ भी काम हो, चाहे वो क्रिकेट खेल रहा हो, चाहे फुटबॉल खेल रहा हो, चाहे वो गेम कर रहा हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी और भी कर रहा हो, चाहे वो बॉडी बिल्डिंग या जिम क्यों ना कर रहा हो, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसको हम एक्सरसाइज कहते हैं. इसको हम क्या, या चाहे आप आप पाँव की मदद से कहीं पे जा रहे हो, इसको हम कहते हैं एक्सरसाइज. इसको क्या कहते हैं हम? एक्सरसाइज. आपकी बॉडी या your body is going to any activity that is called exercise. That is called as exercise. Get it?
Exercise.
Okay. I will make you understand tomorrow. What is rest? What is rest? What is rest? This is rest. When your
Is
body.
like sleeping.
Okay, good. When your body is not perform any activity, just I'm going to put now, not when your body is not perform any activity, that is called rest. No activity. No activity. Yeah. No activity of a body. Of a body. Of a body. When your body is not perform any activity, that is called rest. Exercise and rest both are very important. So how it is important? It's also your homework. Tomorrow you will tell me why exercise is important and why rest is important. You have to write in your notebook, then just share with me, okay? Understand?
I
It's
write
your
all
homework.
the information that you tell us.
Yeah, good. Your homework is that. Write about that why exercise is important for our body and why rest is important for our body. Why?
Okay.
Okay, so you have
Yes.
to, yeah, yes, okay. I will also explain more tomorrow. Now the time is over.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Officer.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Okay, you know the activity now from tomorrow activity.
Allah
Okay, Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.